Indaba ezimnandi bakithi unomfundo setholakele ukuthi kwakwenzekeni ke cha sizozwa khona ke kuleli viki lizoqala. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Sibongile, and the Dlamini is from the 5th to the 7th of August 2024 on Monday. Ujabu pays the Mlambos a visit and gift to Babu Vuma with a car starter while Deliwe influences Ovelepi to go for Ujabu. Sibongile find herself stranded at the beach and Kwenzo comes to her rescue. Themba Q struggles to fit into the perfect Dlamini family picture on Tuesday. Nomalanga learns that Sibongile is working at Gen X while Kwenzo meets Jabu for the first time. Sibongile confides in Zama about Ukwenzo. The helpers react to Nomfundo's news that they've just discovered on Wednesday. Kwenzo calls Sibongile to tell her that her pursuit has been or her purse has been found, while Tina advises Nomalanga to follow Ukwenzo after she become suspicious of his movements. Njengaye wants Vusi to tell Upeteni the truth about how he became CEO. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.